Motion.page is the animation platform that turns any site into a truly memorable experience. Animate WordPress, static sites, sites built with page builders. Basically, if it's got a URL, Motion.page can animate it. Our visual motion design interface is best in class, complete with a full animation timeline and real-time previews. And it's easy to get started. Download the Motion.page desktop app for Mac, Windows, or Linux, create a new project, plug in any accessible URL. Even local sites can be animated with Motion.page desktop, and you'll immediately be able to create a new timeline and start animating any element on the page. If you're using WordPress, just install the plugin and click Edit with Motion.page on any page. It doesn't matter whether you're using Gutenberg or a third-party page builder, Motion.page can animate it. For the developers in the crowd, Motion.page is powered by its own full-featured animation SDK. If you're looking for a step up from GSAP or Framer Motion, you can grab the SDK via NPM and start animating your projects today, with programmatic access to all of the incredible animation features that Motion.page has to offer. Speaking of features, let's take a look at some of our favorites. Create impressive scrolling animations. Control the exact scroll position at which the animations trigger, or tie the animation to the scroll bar position, creating a scrubbing style effect as you scroll up and down. You can even pin an element to have it stick to the viewport as it animates. Craft smooth page transitions. By combining the page load and page exit triggers, you can create page transition animations. Scale, fade, or slide the entire page in and out, making your site feel like a modern single-page application. Build interactive sequences. Use the image sequence feature to either drop in a series of images or transcode a video into separate stills and animate them in Motion.page. Combine this with a pinned scroll animation and you've created a $1 million look in just a few clicks. Easily implement custom cursor followers. Normally, custom cursor followers can be complicated to implement. In Motion.page, just choose the mouse follower trigger, select your preset, and you're done. Save time with staggered motion. Animate entire sections of content beautifully with staggered motion. Use the selector picker to target the elements you want to animate. Design your motion, set your stagger duration, and you're done. Delight your visitors with advanced text animations. Use Text Splitter to apply animations per character, word, or line. Then use Stagger to set a delay for each animation on a single text element. If you want a super fun effect, try the Text Flapper option, which cycles each character through a randomized set of symbols before landing on the original one. Easily work with SVGs and motion paths. Motion.page just keeps delivering, with SVG animations and motion paths built right in. Take any SVG and animate the stroke, creating a drawing effect. Or animate elements along a path, either defined via an SVG element on the page or via code. And it generates clean code output. Our custom Motion.page SDK means the code output is much cleaner than you'd expect from a visual motion design tool. There's one function that accepts one config object, and that's about it. But from that elegant core, it's possible to create any animation you can imagine. Here's what the code behind our animations looks like. Simple, clean, and effective. And if you're using the SDK directly in your own projects, it's easy to write or have your coding agent generate it via the Motion.page agent skill. Whether you want a faster way to bring motion into your WordPress designs, a visual workspace for animating any website, or a modern SDK for your own projects, Motion.page gives you everything you need to create experiences people remember. Developers, designers, and creators, it's time to start animating. Try Motion.page for free today at Motion.page.